Highs in the
just to shoot a
mid-70s.
tornado watch.
Again, the forecast for the Muncie area for rest of today. Partly cloudy late in the morning, then mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Highs around 80. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Gusts with 2.63, and the relative humidity 57%. The wind was southeast at clear
That
skies.
includes Grant County and Madison County.
This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KJY93 in Muncie. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Muncie area. Rest of today, partly cloudy late in the morning, then mostly cloudy.
There. Second tornado watch counts for the year.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 263, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana, Grant and Madison. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.